Welcome to South Down Shores, a premier gated waterfront community on Lake Winnipesaukee. Tucked away in a private setting, surrounded by mature trees, this beautifully renovated detached condo awaits. Step inside to an open, airy floor plan featuring cathedral ceilings, abundant natural light, new laminate flooring, and a cozy new gas fireplace. An adjacent insulated sunroom provides peaceful, wooded views year-round. The completely remodeled kitchen boasts beautiful new cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The walkout lower level is dedicated to a spacious primary suite, complete with a luxurious bath featuring dual granite vanities, a tiled walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. The upper level offers two generously sized bedrooms and a beautifully updated full bathroom. Above the attached garage, a versatile bonus room makes a perfect recreation space. Step outside to the spacious Trex deck, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. The lower level opens to private patios, offering even more space to relax and entertain. Enjoy incredible community amenities, including a sandy beach and marina. Welcome to your new lake retreat.